Well, you're looking at a happy and lively Ryder the dog. Unfortunately, he wasn't always this way because recently he had a flea infestation, and we believe he picked up those fleas from our backyard. So I needed to eliminate said fleas, and I used Dawn dishwashing liquid to do it. So I'm going to try Dawn dishwashing soap to kill the fleas, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a discarded Ortho bug clear insect killer bottle that you see there. I used up all this stuff maybe, I don't know, a few weeks ago, and I cut a hole near the top, as you can see right there. The beauty of this container is I can attach it to the hose, pour in some Dawn, which I'm doing using a funnel, and then I can spray the Dawn throughout the yard. Hi, Ryder. He's feeling better, no itching lately. Anyway, I'm pouring the Dawn, as you can see right there, and I put in maybe an eighth of a container full of it, and then once I spray the water through the hose, it goes through this container and picks up the Dawn and disperses it through the yard. And that, I'm told, kills fleas. And I can just spray away, get rid of the fleas, and check later and make sure they're gone. When we first discovered fleas on Ryder, we used these pills to get rid of them, but we found out that these pills only kill the adult fleas. So if there are larval fleas or flea eggs, I don't want to be gross, but if they're in your dog's skin or in his fur, this pill won't kill them all. So what you want to do is pick up this product. It's called Canine Advantix 2. I looked at several different products. This seems to be the best. This stuff kills everything, larvae, eggs, adults, all that. And it comes in vials about yay big, and that vial has medicine that you apply onto the dog's skin. Kind of want to get into the fur and onto the skin. This stuff will kill all the pests on your dog. Along with that treatment, we purchased a 4-pack of these Raid foggers, and we placed them throughout our house when we were going away for a long weekend and just let them loose. And this killed all the bugs in the house. So think of this as a 3-step process: treatment on the dog, treatment in your yard, and treatment in the house. Well, it's been about 4, maybe 5 weeks since our infestation problem, and look at him, content, happy, flea-free. If you have an infestation problem, try this 3-step process, and hopefully you'll be flea-free as well. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.